Welcome to IntelliBank, a portal built to accelerate your sales conversions, designed for Google Cloud sellers. IntelliBank puts every essential account information at your fingertips. Dive deep into each prospect with expansive account intelligence, technographics, projected IT spends, and Google sales plays, personalized to each account. Leverage hyper-personalized talking points, probing questions, and email templates to have more engaging conversations with your prospects. With IntelliBank, you'll see better engagement with prospect accounts, improve your pipeline, and experience faster deal velocity and conversion ratios. Let's get started by logging into IntelliBank and understanding how to navigate your way around the portal. The portal login page is app.intellibank.io. Enter the email and password sent to you and click Sign In. You'll land on the OTP screen. A one-time code is sent to your registered email. Enter the code for login. For subsequent logins, you can enable an authenticator app or use Microsoft or Google single sign-on. You can, however, continue logging in via OTP received on email, if you so wish. Pick the sign-in method you prefer and dive straight into IntelliBank. On your first sign-in to the portal, you'll see the IntelliBank usage and license agreement. Give it a quick read, check the I agree box, and click Submit to start using the platform. For subsequent logins, you don't need to click this checkbox. The accepted policy document can be viewed by clicking on the user icon at the top right of the portal. Now that you're inside IntelliBank, let's explore the home dashboard and see how to filter and find the accounts that matter most to you. IntelliBank is designed with role-based access to the portal. Once logged in, your homepage displays all the accounts assigned to you in a customizable table. Key columns include account name, status, industry, employee size, revenue, intent score, and funding. You can toggle columns on or off from the right-hand pane and sort any column with a single click. On the left-hand pane, multiple dynamic filters are available based on your allocated accounts, making navigation easier. You can search for any specific account using the Search Accounts box. Alternatively, you can also start by filtering accounts based on their headquarter location, like country, state, or city. Under the Account Category section, if you have accounts allocated across multiple campaigns, you can use the Segment filter to select your focus accounts by campaign. Use the Type filter to choose between categories such as MME Acquisition or MME Growth. And finally, you can select a specific industry vertical. Apply additional firmographic scale filters like employee size, revenue, or funding range to narrow down your selection. You can go deeper with technographics filters and select predefined categories like cloud vendor, ERP, productivity and collaboration, solution, data analytics and warehousing, database, virtualization, artificial intelligence, and CX solutions, or search for specific vendor or product names. Depending on your campaign and sales plays aligned to them, you will see them listed in the Sales Play filter section. Click on the appropriate sales play along with the intent score to choose only accounts that have high intent by sales play. A higher intent score indicates a stronger fitment to the respective Google Cloud sales play. Leverage these intent scores to prioritize your outreach. You can filter accounts by sales play and intent score using the intent score filter. You can also filter accounts by status to identify your follow-ups or opportunities, and further refine the list by date ranges. Once you've crafted the perfect view, click Save Filter, give it a name, and your curated list will be waiting for you the next time you log in. Click into any account to explore detailed information and insights that help you craft a more personalized and impactful outreach. To explore a prospect in detail, simply click on the account name to land on the account details page. You will see multiple tabs such as Overview, Intelligence, Technographics, Projected IT Spends, and Activity and Remarks. Additional tabs, such as Contacts or News Triggers, may appear later based on your campaign. Under the Overview tab, you will see detailed account firmographics such as company contact details, segment, industry vertical, employee size, revenue and funding, followed by a short company synopsis. In the Technographics tab, you will find all the tech stack install base of the account, along with an estimated current monthly spend across all available categories. This section is especially useful when targeting accounts based on specific technologies in use. The Projected IT Spends tab provides a more exhaustive view of the account's estimated and projected annual forward spend across various categories, as well as their respective subcategories. Unlock actionable insights to craft high-impact sales conversations. The Intelligence section equips you with ready-to-use insights across 3 tabs: Highlights, Account Intelligence, and Sales Kit. The Highlights section has a tab for each sales play, consisting of an elevator pitch and key insights. The elevator pitch can be used as an icebreaker or a conversation starter, while the key insights will help you identify potential opportunities to position Google Cloud solutions. This acts like a ready reckoner summary when you are stretched for time for doing deeper research in an account. Moving on to the Account Intelligence tab, you will find in-depth information about the account spanning across business initiatives, technology initiatives, financial overview, competitors, and industry trends. You can move across this section using the navigation pane on the right. This information can be used to engage with your prospect better. Take a moment to go explore the detailed subcategories under each of the sections. The Sales Kit tab also includes a section for each sales play. Start by reviewing the intent score and the accompanying reasoning. Clicking on it reveals the rationale behind the score, highlighting the factors that increase or decrease it. This score is calculated using a combination of the solution's ideal customer profile, the account's technographics, and their ongoing business and technology initiatives. The intent score should help you prioritize which accounts are likely to yield better results with your outreach motions. This same intent score can also be used as a filter in your homepage. In this section, you'll also see 2 outreach options, tele and digital. Under the tele outreach section, you'll find tailored talking points and probing questions by the target persona type and role of the individual that you are speaking to. Initially, you will find customized scripts for engaging with IT decision makers or IT influencers. These help you lead more relevant and personalized conversations. You might also find additional personas, such as business leaders or department-specific contacts, added later depending on your sales play. There's also an objection handling section to equip you with responses to common questions, contextualized to the account's initiatives and tech stack. The Google Cloud Advantage segment further helps you position Google's offerings against competitors. In the digital outreach section, you'll find ready-to-send engagement initiators for email and in-mail, along with 3 personalized email drafts, each for IT decision makers and influencers. Just click the Send button to automatically launch your default email client, with the subject line and body pre-filled. You'll see multiple email draft options to choose from. Simply pick the one most relevant to your conversation. And remember to tailor the pre-filled script to reflect your own tone and context. Track every account's progress at a glance, from engagement levels to conversion potential with account status. As you interact with your accounts, you can update their status to reflect the latest stage, whether it's a new opportunity, follow-up, or closure. Add remarks to capture important context from your conversations so you have a clear reference point the next time you log in. All your updates will be saved in the Activities and Remarks section for easy recall. Even if you're using an external CRM to track the buyer journey, ensure to update the account status in IntelliBank as well, so it accurately reflects the current stage. These status values can also be used as filters on the home page, for example, to display only accounts in a particular stage and streamline your daily routine. Use IntelliBank's analytics feature to stay on top of engagement metrics. IntelliBank provides a rich and comprehensive analytics section, which can be navigated from the home screen. It allows you to view the health of your accounts, get distribution statistics on firmographics and technographics, see your usage statistics, and also status of any feedback that you have submitted on the portal. Track the status of your data quality improvement suggestions. What makes IntelliBank unique is that it allows you to provide feedback on data quality, which is then reviewed by our data validation team. To share feedback, click the feedback button, navigate to the relevant section, select the appropriate option from the drop-down, and share your concern with the IntelliBank team. We aim to resolve all data issues within 5 working days. Once submitted, your feedback and its resolution will be updated on the portal and can be viewed in the Analytics menu under the Feedback section. You will also receive email notifications regarding the same. Get a bird's-eye view of your account portfolio. In Account Statistics, you'll find a breakdown of your assigned accounts by employee size, revenue, and funding, providing a bird's-eye view of your portfolio. Click on the Technographic tab to see the distribution of vendors and products across all your accounts. Understand how your team is leveraging IntelliBank with Sales Activity tab. Here, if you have a user login, you will only see analytics related to accounts designated to you. However, if you're using a manager login, the analytics view will include data from all users linked to that manager. This manager login can also be used by the seller organization to monitor overall usage and assess the impact of the intelligence provided within IntelliBank. Measure platform engagement and maximize impact using usage analytics. Key metrics to keep track of include the number of logins, total session time, number of accounts where sales intelligence has been viewed, and the total number of follow-ups and opportunities created. And that brings us to the end of your IntelliBank walkthrough. From powerful filters and deep account insights to tailored sales kits and ready-to-send outreach, every feature is purpose-built to help you prospect smarter, prioritize better, and convert faster. Log in, explore your accounts, and let IntelliBank power your next win. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.